Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Nike Epic React Flyknit triple black version. There is a white version as well, but the triple black one is very nice. It actually sold out like for a few days and then they've restocked it obviously. I think it's restocked anyway. I'm pretty sure I saw it restocked, but yeah. It sold out pretty quick though, I'll tell you that. It's a brand new shoe. It's only been out for 2-3 months I think. I'm not too sure. Well, from the recording of this tape, so yeah. So as you can see, you got the Nike tick there. It's an orange box. Let's have a look. I don't know what that tape is, but yeah. I might have opened it before. I can't tell you that. That's for you to decide. Alright, so the box is pretty much plain from this side. So this one's a UK 10 as I'm size 10. And yeah, for this I'd actually say go up half a size. It's a very snug fit. Sliding into size 10 you literally struggle, but it does fit. It's a really snug fit, so go up half a size. That's the tip already that I've told you guys. Let's have a look at the bottom. Nike swoosh, just did it. Nike take Nike swoosh and just do it. Names and designs are trademark of Nike. So yeah, so what this is, one second, let me get the shoe off first and then I can show you. Alright guys, so you got the plain packaging. It's a pretty iconic shoe, to be fair. They should have put the box more designed towards the epic stuff, whatever you want to call it. Epic React series. So yeah, as you can see, this is the shoe itself. Very nice. As you can see, I've worn it before. But yeah, just forgot to have done that. I had to because so I can do this review, you know what I mean. So I know what it feels like and stuff. So yeah, so this is like a Flyknit. As you can see, that's all Flyknit. Very nice shoe. Got the Nike logo there, embroidered a bit. Got outline there, pretty nice. And yeah, so basically what this is using the Epic React bottom outsole, and this was actually used in the, I think it was a Air Jordans or some basketball shoe or something like that. And yeah, so they decided to carry it on into this shoe because you also need it for running and stuff. That kind of energy in a basketball shoe. So yeah, they've decided to put it into this. So what this shoe does is it's actually good at absorbing energy and stuff from the soles. So when you're running, you're using less effort. And when I was holding the box, it actually felt empty, I'm not gonna lie. These are very light. Not as light as Nike Air Max, just normal Air Max and stuff. I don't know what they're called. Vapor Max, that's the one. That's the one. It's not as light as that, but it is quite light, to be fair. But yeah, so let's have a look at the shoe, guys. So this is the side of the shoe. Got Flyknit there all over, as you can see. It's very breathable, that means. So that's pretty good. I like the laces, very nice. Done up the laces as well. There's a bit of it's very stretchy material, by the way, guys. Very good to get into. Got Flyknit there, as you can see. Zoom that in. I mean, focused on. Got the Nike tick there. This camera has a hard time focusing for some reason after the new update. Got Nike logo there, pretty cool. This is a reflective, wow, look at that. And then it says Epic React there. And then you got the blue trim here, blue line trim, very nice. As you can see, it's a plastic trim, so it's very good. Yeah, so basically what this shoe is, the back and the front, the sole at the bottom, very hard, and the middle is very spongy. So basically when you're running, you're always going to be either setting off from the back of your foot and then landing on your front of your foot. So when you run, you go like that basically, and then the middle will absorb it all, and then yeah, it just makes it easier to run. I don't know, you're gonna have to try it out, you'll understand what I mean. But yeah, so where were we? At this side of the shoe. Now let's have a look at the bottom. As you can see, lots of different technologies going on here. It's called a Boost Reactor. No, I mean Epic React Energy, whatever it's called, sole. Very good technology to wear. It's similar to Nike's Adidas version, which is the Ultra Boost one. And yeah, to be fair, I prefer Ultra Boost because I'm an Adidas guy anyway. So yeah, but I do like these shoes. Very nice for running and stuff. Let me get the shoe out so you can have a look at both of them. Look at that. Look at them two together. As you can see, quite muddy already. Got it quite dirty. do need to give it a wash or something, or wipe it. So I do recommend getting crop protect with this, and probably crop protecting it. I love the reflective lines there. I've not seen that before in a shoe where they just have that one line at the back. That's pretty cool. So it's very nice, so you can see at night. I might give this a try on, but they are pretty hard to get into. Let's have a look in the bottom. You got a Nike tick there, the insole, and that's also breathable, as you can see. Same on this side. This is true to size, very true to size, snug fit. So I'd recommend going 0.5 up a size. That's just my recommendation. Just you feel whatever you want to do. If you like the good snug fit, then please go ahead and get this. If you want to get a bit of space, get the 0.5 up size. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try these on and I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm struggling to get in. Pretty hard to get into these shoes. Bloody hell, these are tight. See, I can't even get in. That's how hard they are. I'll literally have to unlace it and do it. I'm not gonna bother. They take too long to get into. I should have gone 0.5 up a size, but yeah. Alright guys, sorry I couldn't show you on foot review, but it's the effort to unlace it all and do it all again, so I won't be using these as much. But yeah, let's have a look at the back. Wow. Alright guys, we're gonna try to get the Nike logo like that. Nice, Nike. So this is gonna be the thumbnail or something like that. Nike. Something like that. That could be the thumbnail like that. What do you reckon, guys? Let me put it down a bit. Alright guys, that's gonna be the thumbnail, guys. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye guys.